Seeing a blinking white light on your Rogers Xfinity gateway means the setup isn't finished or activation is incomplete. This usually indicates the gateway isn't fully connected to the internet or your Rogers account. First, ensure the coaxial cable is securely connected to both the wall outlet and the gateway. Power cycle the gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This forces a reconnection and often resolves the issue quickly. The goal is to get it a solid white light, which indicates normal operation. If a power cycle doesn't work, proceed to the next steps. Use the Rogers Ignite app to complete activation. Scan the QR code on your gateway for instant troubleshooting. If the app fails, go to xfinity.com/activate and enter the gateway's serial number. If these steps don't work, it may be an account activation delay. Try waiting a few hours and check again. Outdated firmware can also cause issues. Rogers has released updates like v10.3.1 in October 2025 that improve auto activation. If the problem persists after these steps, contact Rogers customer service at 1-888-ROGERS-1 for further assistance, as it might indicate a hardware fault needing replacement, especially if it is still under warranty. Consider the trends in automation and AI fixes, which could come in the future.